If LibreOffice is giving you an error when writing or saving a file, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is especially helpful if the file won't save to a USB drive, a cloud folder, or even a local document location. We're going to go step by step, starting with the easiest fix first and then moving into a deeper reset if the issue is caused by a corrupted user profile. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing to do is save the file locally first. A lot of save errors happen because LibreOffice has trouble writing directly to external drives, synced folders, or cloud locations. So instead of saving to a USB drive or a cloud folder right away, go to File, then Save As, and choose a folder on your desktop or your local downloads folder. This makes sure the file is being saved somewhere stable on your computer. Once the file is safely saved locally, you can try moving it later if needed. If that still doesn't fix the issue, the next step is to clear any stuck LibreOffice processes running in the background. Sometimes LibreOffice does not close properly, and one of those hidden background instances can block saving or cause file writing errors. To check this, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Then look through the list for any LibreOffice processes that are still running. If you find one, right-click it and choose End Task. You can do this for any stuck background LibreOffice instance you see. After that, reopen LibreOffice and try saving your file again. Now, if you still cannot write or save any file at all, even a completely blank new document, then the issue is probably not the document itself. In that case, your local LibreOffice user profile may be corrupted. This profile stores your settings, preferences, and temporary configuration data, and if it becomes damaged, LibreOffice can start behaving strangely, including failing to save files properly. To fix that, go to the top menu in LibreOffice and click Help, then choose Restart in Safe Mode. LibreOffice will restart with repair options built in. When the prompt opens, look for the option that says Reset to Factory Settings. Check that box, then choose Reset Entire User Profile. This is the step that clears the corrupted profile data and gives LibreOffice a fresh start. After that, click Apply Changes. LibreOffice will reset the profile and restart. Once it opens again, test saving a new blank document first. If that works, try your original file again. In many cases, this completely fixes the writing error and restores normal save functionality. So just to recap, first, save locally instead of directly to USB or cloud storage. Second, end any stuck LibreOffice background tasks in Task Manager. And third, if the problem affects every file, reset the LibreOffice user profile from safe mode. Those 3 steps solve most LibreOffice file writing errors. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech fixes, office tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.